Unlock the secrets to transforming your stories into a steady income stream on Inkitt. Step 1. Navigate to your Inkitt profile and locate the Monetization tab. This is where you'll see your current earnings and understand the various ways Inkitt allows you to get paid. Step 2. Focus on building a strong, engaged audience. Regularly interact with your readers in the comment sections, respond to their messages, and consider running polls or Q&A sessions. The more your readers feel connected, the more likely they are to support you. Step 3. Explore Inkitt's specific monetization features. This includes earning from in-app advertisements displayed on your stories, receiving direct support through fan requests, or utilizing their potential premium story options when they become available for your genre. Step 4. Strategize your story promotion. Share your Inkitt stories on social media. Engage with writing communities, and even collaborate with other authors to cross-promote. Leverage eye-catching graphics and compelling synopses to draw new readers in. Step 5. Consistency is key. Regularly update your stories to keep your audience engaged and attract new readers. The more active and consistently publishing you are, the higher your earning potential will become on Inkitt.